Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires, front all-season, traction control, Bluetooth. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.